Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, thanks for stopping by. I hope you consider subscribing and liking this video. I am Megan with Simply Megan Plans, and I am a happy planner fanatic. This week in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I will be decorating for the week of April 5th through the 11th in my classic vertical happy planner. I am using the brand new Indigo sticker book, and I'm very excited. I really like the concept of this book by having all one color in one like certain sticker book. So I normally start out by going left to right. So I started in the sidebar, and this long sticker normally appeals to me because I can either customize it myself by making different subcategories, or in this case, this one is already in 3 sections, which I was definitely drawn to. So I'm going to have things that I need to buy, places I need to go, like errands, and then things that I need to prioritize. And then in Monday, I have an errand sticker, and I'm actually doing a bunch of different errands this week. So I may end up having an errand section pretty much every day. But I'm using these little, they're not washi strips, but they're like sticker strips, and I'm layering those together like I would with washi tape. And I was pretty happy that there was already a payday sticker in here so that it could not be green and, clash with the spread. So I went ahead and put that on Friday per usual. And because this is one of the first times I'm using this sticker book, I've used it once in my Skinny Classic for my social media planner, but this is going to be the first time using this in my catch-all planner. So I've flipped through it a few different times, and probably just gonna need a lot of decor for this week because there's not all that much going on, and I really want to try something different with layering. And I feel like I've been saying that quite a few times for the past few weeks, but when there's not much going on, I really used to just fill it up with stickers and keep them in the boxes, but I really want to get better at trying new things and not doing the same old like I always do. I thought it'd be fun to put this really large circle sticker on Sunday and put let yourself rest, because Sunday is supposed to be a day for rest. And that long sticker was out of Gold Star quotes. That's a fun one because of all the different obvious quotes that are in it, but I like to cut up the words. Anyways, I put this box down under that divided up long sticker, and I put get it done. So that's gonna be a chore list that I need to do for this week, like laundry and sheets and baseboards and mopping, things like that. And this large sticker is what I'm talking about with layering. So because it's so big, it's going over Thursday, Friday, and a little bit of Saturday. And that is so, maybe to some people that feels like, pretty normal, not a big deal. But to me, it feels like, oh my goodness, what have I done? Because it's taking up so much space, and I'm afraid that Thursday and Friday I'm not going to have any space to write things. I don't know. It just it feels a little bit foreign to me, but I'm going to see how it goes. And honestly, it's not that serious. At the end of the day, it's just really not that serious. Also, putting a colorful box on the top of Tuesday. I also like doing this where you change the configuration of the box. So I put it sideways, and then I put, what does that say? Important on top of it. So that's a little added change. And then I forgot to also say the get it done on that box in the sidebar was fun. I really want to use every single sticker out of this one book. So I think I actually end up pulling, actually, yeah, I already did. So the Gold Star quote on Sunday, but also will be pulling out Basics and Supermom to find the words for the sidebar. But still, I really want to try to mostly stick with just the Indigo sticker book. And again, with the layering, because there's really not that much, really nothing at all going on this upcoming weekend, I was like, okay, let me try it. Let me try these stickers that normally I would never touch because I really want to hashtag use all the stickers. And Hannah used to say that forever with the Happy Planner. And even though she's gone, I still am on a mission to use all my stickers. I've mostly laid down all of the functional stickers that I know that I need to put down. And now I'm just going in, adding a few extra details like this little heart that I'm going to put on Wednesday. And then this other copper box to layer on with my Aaron sticker on Monday. I thought that'd be cute. Also, Monday up at the top felt a little bit empty. So I put a little today, and then I had to search through a little bit to find a cute coffee cup. But eventually I found it in Basics, so was able to put that up at the top. I love coffee. I talk about that all the time, but the coffee stickers, I'm having a hard time finding them nowadays. So I had to do a little deep dive. Anyways, I'm all done popping it back into the discs. I let me know what y'all think in the comments below. I put washi tape under the pages to keep them in place for you. So let me know what you think of that. But thank y'all so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment for more. Bye, guys.